Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great in your studies and also revised your previous chapters. Today, we are going to start our chapter 15, which is Protect Trees. So, in this chapter, हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि हमें trees को क्यों protect करना चाहिए, कैसे protect करना चाहिए, and many other things about trees. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the chapter. The name of our chapter is Protect Trees, and the topics which we will discuss are trees are important, deforestation, ways to save trees, wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. Now, trees are important. Trees important क्यों है? We see trees everywhere in the gardens, parks, on the footpath and so on. Without trees, जो life on earth है would not be possible. They are very important for all living beings. They provide us with shade and coolness. We get food from trees. The wood of tree is used for many purposes. We use the wood for making furniture and many other things. Above all, जो trees होती है, they also give us oxygen to breathe. Many animals जो हैं वो trees पे रहते हैं. They also depend on the trees for their food. We should take good care of trees and plants them everywhere. It is an activity which says identify the trees shown in pictures and write their names. So हमें इन trees को identify करके उनका name यहाँ पे we have to mention. जैसे for example you can see in the second picture it is a banana plant. Like this you have to identify the other two trees at your own and fill in the blank. Now next is deforestation. Deforestation क्या होता है? We now know that forests are very useful for mankind. हमें पता है जो forests होते हैं वो mankind के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा useful है. Forests are large areas of land densely covered with trees. They are a crucial part of our ecosystem. वो हमारे ecosystem का crucial part है. But miserably forests are being cut down in large numbers. They are diminishing. This large scale cutting of trees is called deforestation. जब हम large scale पे cutting of trees को परफॉर्म करते हैं या ऐसा होता है उसको डिफॉरेस्टेशन बोला जाता है. बट हाउ कैन वी थिंक ऑफ कटिंग ट्रीज व्हेन दे आर सो बेनिफिशियल? हम ट्रीज को क्यों कट करेंगे अगर वो हमारे लिए इतनी बेनिफिशियल है? लेट अस चेक आउट द रीजंस फॉर डिफॉरेस्टेशन. अब हम देखेंगे ऐसा क्यों होता है. तो कॉजेज ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन, देयर आर मेनी रीजंस ड्यू टू व्हिच डिफॉरेस्टेशन टेक प्लेस. सम ऑफ द मेजर वंस आर फॉलोइंग. जैसे कि फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग रोड्स एंड रेलवेज, to obtain wood to make paper, matchstick, furniture, etc., to fulfill the need for land for constructing houses, to fulfill the need for land for agriculture, to fulfill the need for land for industries. इन सब रीजन से हम लोग क्या करते हैं? ट्रीज को कट डाउन कर देते हैं. ways to save trees. trees को हम सेव कैसे कर सकते हैं? we can save trees in many ways. some of them are discussed here. जैसे green belts. green belts क्या होता है? green belt एक एरिया होता है या फिर कोई ओपन लैंड होता है अराउंड अ सिटी और टाउन ऑन विच कोई भी बिल्डिंग एनीथिंग इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, जहां पे कोई भी बिल्डिंग वगैरह कुछ भी कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं हो सकता. दिस इज डन टू मेंटेन द ग्रीनरी एंड प्रोटेक्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ. ग्रीन बेल्ट्स ऑल्सो एब्जॉर्ब करती है हार्मफुल गैसेज दैट आर एमिटेड बाय द व्हीकल्स एंड इंडस्ट्रीज. Nobody is allowed to cut trees in these areas. Sacred groves. Sacred groves जो होते हैं, they have religious importance attached to them and hence are collectively protected forest. They are considered to be connected with the preceding deity. It is believed that anyone trying to harm the trees will be punished in the deity. There are thousands of such groves all over the country and some of them are Lokintang in Khasi, Meghalaya, Sarna in Bihar, Oran, Kendri, Vani, Devbani and Shamlat Deh in Rajasthan, Kavus in Kerala, Diodar in Shipin near Shimla in Himachal, and Hariyali, Askat, Binsar and Gananath in Gharwal and Kumaon. Next is try yourself activity. What is a forest? Forest क्या होता है? So forest is a land or area. It is a land or area filled or covered with big trees. Next is what will happen if a number of trees is reduced in the forest. अगर number of trees जो है वो कम होती रहेंगी तो क्या होगा? Deforestation. Now moving forward, to another topic which is plantation and orchards. यानी कि plantations जो होते हैं वो large areas होते हैं जहाँ पे trees को plant किया जाता है for commercial purpose. Crops that include cotton, coffee, sugarcane, oil palm, coconut and rubber grown in plantations. And orchard is a piece of land on which जो fruits या फिर nut trees होते हैं उनको grow किया जाता है. Plantation and orchards can become or belong to private parties of the government. Growing plantations या फिर orchards in a good way of saving trees. ये एक अच्छा way है for saving trees. Next is wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. So deforestation affect not only the nature but also fauna. यानी कि animals वो अपना natural habitat lose कर देते हैं and are displaced from there. Wildlife sanctuaries और national parks को develop किया गया है to save fauna यानी कि animals, and in these safe areas जो animals होते हैं या birds होते हैं they live in their natural surroundings. Hunting is not allowed here and animals are taken care of. इंडिया के अंदर अबाउट 500 वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज एंड नेशनल पार्क्स हैं एंड अमंग दीज 47 टाइगर रिजर्व्स आर गवर्न्ड बाय प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर टू सेव टाइगर्स. Now, Project Tiger was initiative to protect the tigers and save them from extinction. ये Project Tiger जो था ये हमारा एक प्रोजेक्ट था जिसके अंदर हमको टाइगर्स को सेव करना था फ्रॉम एक्सटिंक्शन एंड इट वाज लॉन्च्ड इन 1970s. एनिमल्स जैसे वन हॉर्न राइनोसोर्स, Nilgai, leopard, Royal Bengal tiger, elephant and wild boar are protected in these national parks. It is your grocery where forest means a large area of land covered with trees. Deforestation means cutting down of trees over a large area. Religious means having strong belief in religion. Let's review the chapter. Without trees, life on earth would not be possible. Forests are large areas of land densely covered with trees. Nobody is allowed to cut trees in these areas. It is believed that anyone trying to harm trees will be punished in DT, and growing plantations and orchards is the good way of saving trees. India has about 500 wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. 47 tiger reserves are governed by Project Tiger to save tigers. Let's do the exercise of the chapter. First is tick the correct option. Dash provide us shade and coolness. So trees. Dash are crucial part of our ecosystem. Forest. Dash are large areas where many trees are planted for commercial purposes. Plantations. Dash affect not only the nature but also fauna. Deforestation. And dash is a piece of land on which fruit and nuts are grown. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Trees gives us dash to breathe oxygen. Dash are large areas of land densely covered with trees, forest. Animals depend on trees for their food. Wildlife sanctuaries and national parks have been developed to save fauna. Dash is allowed here. Hunting is not allowed here. Now, next is true false. Forests are being cut down in large numbers. True. Green belt is an area, open land around the city or town where buildings or anything is not allowed. Is allowed, so it is false. Plantation and orchid belongs to private parties or the government. True. Crops are not grown in plantations. False. Animals lose their natural habitat as they are dispersed from here. True. So students, this was your complete chapter. I hope it is clear to you. Do revise it again and also learn the exercise. I will see you in your next video with next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.